In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Asana. If you manage work across different teams, clients, or organizations, being able to move between accounts quickly can save you a lot of time and keep your projects organized. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few simple tips to make it seamless. Start by opening your profile menu in Asana. Look to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click your profile picture or your initials. This opens a small menu where you control personal settings and, importantly, manage your accounts. If you're using the desktop app, the layout is nearly identical to the web version, so these instructions will feel familiar. Next, add your second account. In that same drop-down, select Add Another Account. This tells Asana you want to connect an additional login so you can move between accounts without signing out each time. It's a built-in feature designed for people who work across multiple organizations or workspaces. Now log into the second account, enter the credentials for the other Asana account you want to use. Keep your login details secure and make sure you're signing into the correct organization for your projects. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt as usual. Once you're in, Asana will keep both sessions active in the background, so you don't need to re-enter information every time you switch. With both accounts connected, switching is instant. Click your profile picture or initials again in the top right. You'll now see both accounts listed in the menu. Simply click the one you want to use, and Asana will jump straight to that account's home, projects, and inbox. You can repeat this as often as you need throughout your day. A few helpful tips. If you juggle multiple accounts, consider using different profile photos or distinct initials so you can tell them apart at a glance. Pay attention to the organization name displayed near your profile to confirm you're in the right place before creating tasks or making edits. If you don't see Add Another Account, refresh your browser or update the app, then try again. And if you're working on a shared or public computer, always sign out when you're done to keep your information safe. That's it. Quick, clean, and reliable. You've added a second account and learned how to switch between them instantly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.